Ah, the new Audi A4, the benchmark four-seater cabriolet.
And normally the A4 Cabrio is a fabulously discreet car. But in this case, they've spoiled it by painting it in a colour called cosmic yellow, which is also known as premium beige.
Right, now it's not just the colour that lets this car down. Because here we go. We're in the country. This is nice.
Gentle tweeting of birds.
Slight breeze through the undergrowth over there.
Let's have another country sound. Ah yes, Massey Ferguson.
It's a diesel. Somebody decided, let's make a discreetly glamorous four-seater cabriolet and equip it with a tractor's engine.
It is a good diesel engine.
Well, in truth, it's a fantastic diesel engine. And actually, it's not that noisy, is it?
No, it's not. Not on the move. But when you're going slow, or you're just creeping through town, or most significantly, just pulling up outside a nice bar.
Yeah. You're going to say, that's nice, where's the taxi?
No, it's just not right. Diesel Cabrio is like a supermodel smoking a pipe.